of processor what the bedroom Germany abra one crata first no was a look share whether say university now be call an as a language course. So person won't go university that means or block account 12,000 euros. So only block account 12,000 euros. Next we see ka person for to can be a 80,000, 75,000 there. We hear language course. What I say now language course no we see can be no what the we are 4,200 euros and 5,500 euros kwa to block account. Now the day can I register for language course no. Now when you receipt in no block account receipt any language course no receipt and no the travel itineraries I think 1,000 Ghana cedi in and any marketing kiti no aboa no now they akwa akwaje visa oje visa we a no apo obi sika now they top plane ticket okodru ha aban ne be ma kwan say every month bia obi 1,100 euros a free bank account now year now they tia onianeka u ko school no na usua de I mean uko school no now we ejuma what I say because on krata and only the easiest way I will be to me Germany now process is simple. Just get your money, book a language course, and use some of your money to create the block account. And then make sure you first of all create a block account. Now, first of all, you school be to say DID. Okay, school way. This is DID Dutch Institute. Let's translate it. Okay, all right. So German course. Okay, so German course we German course for studies. Okay. The entry way. Now here we are. Bra form has a. Okay, so Munchen over to my choose Berlin baby bia what they say. Now moment I way that means this course is for you can use it for visa. This is block account or Charles say over here block account. Now for pathway university pathway more person munsua course no na yema mo college credit na mo fan to aso nkoye bia degree in linguistic or linguad something I don't know mo di no say we na for 1 to 3 months very obituary and more apply for what do you call preparatory prepare motor west university admission so no 2 to 9 months so 2 to 9 months not just say wait my book 2 months 3 months 4 months 5 months 6 months depending on what they here and I will see 1 year and not the obitua ujusuza de we are obitua 12,000 euros at all why block account but ujusu we bia no course we are inquiry so 3 weeks 600 at ya say that is standard course no intensive ni 1,000 euros aboa so 3 weeks so 1 month 1,000 euros so wow choose way intensive no so na kede visa nti over in a day you choose way what you say 10 weeks way any 15 weeks way 12 weeks ni 13 weeks aboa 16 weeks 2,400 I think say we 2,400 you should to way more be way na way what you say choose nebuki what you say the course na hosa no we bit choose the up to 1 year how them patch yes nti no nti we there what bookie 4 months in fact what bookie 4 months be a wait 16 weeks and as 17 wait 17 weeks is more than 4 months okay what you say to bookie we now on say 8,000 euros no why you see 2,500 I say aka 6,000 no 5,500 now the 5,500 now go to a block account the area can acquire first we create block account now we create block account call website nebo Fintiba okay yeah about Fintiba block account now for website in here okay now say Fintiba on website na on protocol no HTTPS out there say S na on just say a very secured in the founder boss Now the nsa boss wa what you say nti yenko open account. Nti wahu open block account what you say. Now open block account in insurance abeba. Now open block account nko abeba ti nsa boss. Now I say yen create account no so me the email show. Once me bomb email a show nti unzo bobo email a show. Ma bo password. Nti wa create your password a ope. Nti hwe create password a mepe. Nti mi wi a na ma select box we. Na ma bo open account. Nti me see saved. Nti but me save. O de obetimi a save ba me de me save. Na wa send the code ama ye sa email na me de share ho no. But me ni wa hanti no ma me embo code no mra. The email I put there was wrong. So let me put another one. So we take a box we. No, I take a box we. Now about open. Nti so o send there. Wa be save ba me ni kwan se me save. Nti omo email na o de ma wo mo no. Ombe send the code abem. 4 numbers, 4 digits akọ email nim. Nti ubekọ email nim ko bie email nim wo phone so. Ubon se o ma send the number. Now me hwe me phone so no ma send. Remember time or so. One say equal seconds. O ma send 4197. Once was verified. Nti wa anya ne tema time no ebekọ. Betwem ebe say. Nti wa say welcome to Fintiba. Now get your visa sorted. So go. Are you applying for university in Germany? No, I have other reasons. Are you applying? Yes, I'm applying for. Why are you applying for this Germany? Language studies. Now calculate. What is here? So we are calculating. So calculate your total block account. So 1 month is 992. How many months is here? 12 months. Block account say now the better you over transfer 12,063 euros. I don't have that money, so I can't afford what do you call 12 months. So let's make it 4 months. So on 4 months in 4,127. Me for 4 months because say course na me bookie our language course or hase no. Me hase no. Me fa say 4 months. 4 months, that is 16 weeks. And that's 17 weeks. 4 months. What you say? 4 months. It didn't about 4 months. I show what you say? Tiyanko next. Inti me wa Russia. Inti na hu Russia wa hano. Me wa Ghana nka Ghana ba beta. Inti ma min choose Ghana. Me mo Ghana show ne empopi up. Inti Ghana ena ba inti ma ba show. Alright. Tiyanko next. And do you have a second nationality? I do not. What is your official relationship? I'm married. Did you change your name after marriage? I did not. Do you have access to your passport? I have. How old is a person who will get the blocking confirmation 30 to 37? Are you tax liability in more than one country? I am not. In which country are you tax liability? Ghana. Enter your TIN number? I don't remember, so I don't know my TIN number. Continue. Are you taxable in USA? I confirm that I am not a US tax resident. What is your current address? Let's say Nungwa. Okay, continue. This is, remember, only Latin characters needed, A to Z, whether block letter or small letter. Okay, now city, Accra. Now street, Nungwa Barrier. Building 4. Alright, this one is not necessary, it's optional. Postal code +233. Okay, so continue. Not now. So Russia na Asaba, because my current situation, no, my current location is Russia. So my member Ghana and Shaw. What I say? So Ghana na masality Ghana. Was a ball number. Opa ball number Shaw, but me mommy number Shaw to skip. Now introducing to Fintiba Plus. Mimpe Fintiba Plus. What I say? I will decide on that later. Just to make sure that you are aware of this. I am aware of this. If you want insurance, if you are going for the visa, choose this one. Choose this one. Choose this one, because you will need insurance for the visa. But me, it's just for lesson, so without insurance. Do you know which German embassy or consular you apply? Yes, I do. Ghana Embassy in Accra. Alright. So continue. Now this is agreement that you have to select, like you have to agree to the terms. So I agree to all the terms, all the terms. This is banking online, this is by law, this is protection to your data, your money, clarification of owner account duties and everything. Let's go down. There are more there. So are there more? Okay, I've agreed to them all. Let's see whether there are more. I am done. So you are finished creating your Fintiba account. So now you need to use your passport and your face to do the identity verification. So you start the identity verification here. You will start it here. I don't have my passport, so I can't be doing it. It's just a lesson. So you will click here and use your passport and maybe any identity they will say, you follow it. Now after the identity verification, this is amount deposit. So here you will deposit the amount of 4,127 here. So if you are depositing, you transfer from your bank, whether EcoBank, whether GCB, whether GBC, not a transfer. And I say ebia na our husband or UK, Germany, no better deposit and no deposit. Now deposit we are about better block account is done. And no makramo. This is how you create a block account. Unya a deposit we are receipt na nane now I print it. Now the account course now booking so memo enrollment letter any acceptance letter. Now I can album. Now the call embassy or now I call visa or book appointment date. Now I call interview. Interview baby say or block account any. And then I just bookie course no and also nie or travel itineraries and no just 1,000 Ghana cedi per bit my medical insurance grade will be na ebia hotel reservation and a flight reservation and also will be $20 now I